Welcome to our portable washing machine showdown. Today, we're comparing two compact and foldable washing machines that are perfect for small spaces, travel, and laundry on the go. We'll look at their features, specifications, and what sets them apart. Let's dive in. Both the GZJ and GreenChat portable washing machines are designed with portability in mind. They feature a compact and foldable design, making them easy to store and transport. Whether you're living in a small apartment, traveling, or camping, these machines are perfect for your laundry needs. Both machines boast a 15-liter capacity, making them suitable for washing small items like baby clothes and underwear. This capacity allows you to do laundry efficiently without taking up too much space, making them ideal for users with limited laundry needs. When it comes to materials, the GZJ model is made from TPE and food-grade silicone, which ensures safety and durability. In contrast, the GreenChat model is primarily constructed from plastic. This difference in materials may influence your choice based on preferences for safety and aesthetics. In conclusion, both the GZJ and GreenChat portable washing machines offer excellent solutions for washing small loads of laundry. Your choice may depend on color preference and material considerations. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews.